Hello everybody, this is Lila. How is everybody? Hope you're doing well. I am. I made some compendiums the other day, and they're made from file folders because I was gifted a few file folders and decided I want to use them. So I made these up, and I actually taught a little class in my neighborhood with these too. So I'll show you how they go, and then I'll show you what I wanted to make to put in. First of all, they fold into three. I created this elastic loop, and it's elastic layer from masks, of course. So then the other side of it looks like that. So the theme of it is Chateau or Marie Antoinette. In this side I made a pocket, and I've put things in there, cards and tags, and it's kind of like a storage place really. And then here there's a pocket, there's a pocket there, and I made one of those little French chateau cards to go in that. And then this is a flap, and under the flap are more tags and things. This still has to be filled. I haven't quite filled it yet, so I'm just showing you how it is at this point. Okay, that's good. Now on this side is the other thing that was a little bit tricky. I made I guess you'd say it was kind of like an upside down belly band, because I had these old calendar bookmarks from Paris, and I wanted to use them now that the year has passed, and I decided I would put little notepads underneath there. Of course I've got it glued on there and there, so the notepad had to be somewhat flat, and it also had to fit under there. So this was the first one I constructed, and this one, as you see, has a little tie at the top. Don't always do that, but there are the papers inside that, and that is just I think that was just printing paper. And then I made some others. I made this one. This one doesn't fit too well under there. It's a bit wide, but it'll be good to put in one of these places. Then I made this one. And that one also has a tie there. This one has a French, this is one of the suburbs of Paris, Le Marais. It's the old Jewish neighborhood, just lovely there. Very historical. I love to wander there. It's near the Seine. And then that one fits, I like that under there actually. That works pretty good under there. And then this is another one I just made, and it says Forget Me Not at the top. So with that all happening, I thought I would show you a quick method I have for making these. So first of all, I take some pages that I want, and I put together, I think I put together 5. These ones happen to be lined. And then I folded a piece of extra, this is just like drawing paper, over the top. I made a fold and folded over the top. Prior to doing that though, I ran a little bit of glue stick right along the top of each page, and that adhered them all together just at the top, and they can easily be pulled out if you want to use them that way. Then I had to make something for the decoration, so I happened to have this around, so I thought that looks good. And then it has a fold over at the top, and I took just a piece of scrapbook paper, folded it like that, so the short piece will be on the front and the longer piece will be on the back. So I'll go ahead and do that. This is my favorite glue stick, by the way. It's absolutely wonderful, and I got it at Target, and you get them in packets of, I want to say 12 to a packet or something. They go on blue, but you know how that works, they go clear. But I love them. They're very, very strong. Okay, so then I put this on top. My friends like to make these. They think it's cool. So that's that's that, and then it's like that at the back. I'm sort of upside down doing this, sorry. And then I've printed off, or stamped I should say, some little words, and this one is July 1937, so I thought those ladies are older than that, of course. But I thought just to give it, some coordination with the top. I'm not going to put cord through this one, but if I did, what I would do is punch 2 holes with the small part of a crocodile and then thread some pretty thread or twine through. So I'm just going to glue that on now. I'm going to glue that there, right there. So that's it. That's so easy. And there it is. That's my little pad. And these, as I said, I just slip into this slot here. And I'm going to have to trim that right now before I can put it. But that'll go nicely in there. So if you want to have another look at this, this is the way it looks. It's all those tags and cards there. This one folds like that. And someone said that looked like, I forget what she said. Oh, she said it looked like a book cover. And a little trick I did there was I took some lace and some vintage velvet ribbon, and there's some muslin under there, and I sewed them all together to make that trim. And then on this side there's also a vintage picture and trim, and then this is the other side, and I just continued that ribbon and velvet right around it. That was the piece I had. Didn't have any longer because I'd given it away, so I just adhered a strip of fabric here. That's off the selvage of a piece of fabric, and layered some, some ideas there. So, and then the whole thing closes with elastic like that, so it doesn't come apart. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.